Hi, today we're replacing the front brake sensor for Mercedes E-Class 500, and these are the sensors. Okay, very simple. Due to look like the sensor is, I believe, broken right here. Here we go. Alright, so basically it's the new sensor that'll go in this slot, then plug it in. Don't have to touch nothing. You don't have to lose the bolt here or caliper or anything. Very straightforward. Just unplug that and stick the sensor right here and plug back in here, and everything will work fine. Okay, this is the one. It's the broken one. Let's get the new one. Let's see. Okay, here we go. It's the new one. Basically, it's going this way. Press it in. You hear the click, you're good to go. Now, this is the one to plug in here. Okay. Here we go. Pretty straightforward. Okay, now you gotta make sure the wire don't go above this caliper, the back of the caliper. Otherwise, your tire is right here. Okay, so push in just a little bit, bend it in a little bit, and don't grind into the rotor. Yep, this will work. That's it. Just replace a brake sensor. Simple as that, right? Thank you.